People feel like being an introvert means you're going to be shy, naive, caged, and you cannot talk. But what an introvert really means is that we are comfortable in our space. We can even talk too much around people that we know, but we are calm and collected in spaces that our energy can does not like or cannot carry us. Like if you see that we're talking to our friends, you will not believe that is an introvert that is doing it. You feel as if this person is claiming to be an introvert until you see the person outside that environment that he or she is comfortable with. Then you will know that yes, we are comfortable around our space. We don't like to stay in an environment that saps our energy for a very long time. For instance, if I go to any program and I've stayed there for long and my body start telling me leave, 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 you are done, leave, you are done. I just leave because whatever they're saying there at that point is not going to sink. So introvert is not being an introvert does not mean you are shy. Some of us are talkatives, but we are only comfortable around our space. We are only talkative around people we know. We are not shy people. I'm not shy. I'm very, very confident in myself. But I don't want to be the center of attraction when I walk into a room. If I come into a place, if I go to any program, I don't want to be that person that everybody wants to know. I don't want to be that person that everybody wants to associate with. I just want to just day by day. That's what introvert is all about. I don't like to be center of attraction. I don't like attention. So I'm talking from my own perspective and from my own aspect as an introvert because I just like my house. Of late, my own is becoming very, very worse because I just like to just be at home. So if you can relate, leave it in the comment section. We're not naive, we're not shy people, but we are just comfortable in our space. And if you are a friend, you know that some of us are talkatives. That one, we can talk for Nigeria, but just around people we are comfortable with.